don't know whether I'm going to open the can of worms, but I've just seen this stuff's coming off, the insulation tape's coming off, so I'm going to repair that. And then I've noticed, if you can see it down here, there's like a tab here that isn't inserted, and the hole is in here, just down here. There's a hole where that should be pushed in, and it's floating around. So I don't know whether I've done this in the past. I've taken this off and retaped it up and done it incorrectly, or whether it's come out of its own. I mean, it's a Land Rover, so it could have come out of its own accord. But I'm just going to repair the tape, do a bit, take this off and reposition it, and see whether I can just push it back in, secure the wiring harness. Right, if you want my honest opinion, this was misfitted a long time ago, and it hasn't been sort of sorted out, or it was never pushed in properly anyway when the car was built. But as you can see, there's a bit of wire sticking out of here, which is not the best, is it? So I'm going to just make sure that isn't damaged, and then put some insulation tape back around this and make sure that it's all secured. The Land Rover Discovery 3 has got a lot of electrical wiring, so you really don't want faults in the wiring, especially externally, because they're blinking hard to find. Of course it won't come out. It's more sensible around that way. Right, it's a bit better, not perfect, but it's good. And we'll leave it there because I want to go and have my dinner.